Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw rental losses and categorize income correctly in TurboTax step by step clearly. Open TurboTax and log into your account. Navigate to the section for income and select rental properties or rental income. If you have not previously entered your rental property, click on Add a rental property. Enter the necessary details about your rental property, including the address and type of property. Once the property is added, go to the income section for the rental property. Input your total rental income for the year. If you have rental losses, navigate to the expenses section. In the expenses section, enter all relevant expenses related to your rental property. Include maintenance costs, property management fees, repairs, and other deductible expenses. Make sure to include mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation if applicable. After entering all expenses, review the summary to check for any inaccuracies. Now, proceed to the Deductions and Credits section in TurboTax. Look for the option to claim losses. You will generally see a prompt if you have rental losses. Select the appropriate options to report your losses accurately. Follow the prompts to withdraw or carry forward any rental losses you wish to utilize. Ensure that you categorize all income and expenses correctly according to IRS guidelines. After completing all entries and checks, review your entire return for accuracy. Once confirmed, proceed to the Filing section of TurboTax. Finalize your return and submit it according to your chosen method. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.